our show, but I think we can just wait a little while to see if other people can join us. And I just want to go over with our last week's topic, where we talk about will and power of attorney. My name is ZAHID, by the way, and I do that weekly show. So last week we had that wills and power of attorney show, and I got so much good feedback, and people are saying this is the fantastic topic you brought, and we were not aware of these things, and now a lot of people have took information from me and they are doing their wills and power of attorneys. So I think even you can pick up one small point that can help you and your family. I think that would be great. So we'll just wait a little while more to see that if other people can join us, and because it's very important information we share, and I'm getting a tremendous respect for that. At the same time, a feedback at the same time, and even afterwards, that I'm doing something very good for the community. And I'll continue doing it as long as we have that time, but I'm committed to it, and we will keep doing it. Is that everybody okay with everybody? I think it's fantastic. So I think there is now time is to start our topic. So again, whoever is joining now, my name is ZAHID SYED, and thank you very much for my weekly show, Life and Money with ZAHID SYED. Now, today's topic is an interesting one, and I bring every week a different topic to educate you, to see what things you have done for your family and what you have not done for your family or business, so you can take it. So today's topic is, do I need critical illness insurance? Now, critical illness is out in the Canadian market for a while, but still a lot of people either do not have a critical illness insurance, or they are not aware of what it can do for them. So today's program, we're gonna bring those points out and see if we can help those people who don't have it. Now, this program can last around 7 to 10 minutes. I would encourage you to share right away. Whoever is in front of it, just share it to see your family, friends, so they can take advantage of this information that we are going to give. And also like my page, which is Rouge Financial Facebook page, so you can be notified every time we have this program. So first, let's talk about what is critical illness. Now, critical illness is any life-threatening illness that can affect your life, or even death can occur. So critical illness, there are almost 25 critical illnesses, but the major ones are like heart attack, cancer, stroke, bypass, kidney failure. So these are the major ones where we see a lot of claims coming, but we have 25 of them which in older age, those things like Alzheimer's disease and all that happens in later years. Now, we have to look at what are the stats. The stats are for how much people are really having these illnesses. And according to Heart and Stroke Foundation, every 1 in every 4th Canadian will have some sort of heart disease in their lifetime, and 1 out of 2 would be under age 65. And for a stroke, 50,000 Canadians will develop some sort. They will have a stroke each year, and every 3rd would be under age 65. Now, according to Canadian Cancer Society, 1 in 3 Canadians will develop cancer in their lifetime, and more than 130,000 Canadians will have a cancer this year. That's huge. Every 3rd person, every 4th person, that's mean between 25 to 33% people will have it. Everybody should be protected for critical illness. And what is the house burning ratio in Canada? Is 0.5 that any house can burn is 0.5%, and everybody has a home insurance. So we have to look at perspective wise that this is worth taking this policy. And I tell you that I actually paid more claim on critical illness than even life insurance. So everybody, I encourage you to have a critical illness and take advantage. That's important. Now, critical illness, how it really helps you. A lot of people say, OHIP will take care of us, so we really don't need a critical illness. For what reason? No, this is a living benefit. That means you have to survive at least 30 days to get it. But what happened that if you might be waiting for a long time that your turn to come in. If you have the money, go across the water and get yourself fixed. or maybe some of the medication which are not covered under OHIP, so you can pay for yourself and get yourself fixed. And also, even the medications are covered and everything, who's going to pay for the mortgage payment and other, there are a lot of other payments, sending your kids to school, bringing grocery home, car insurance, other things, how that's going to be paid. So if we have a lump sum tax-free money, which is the critical illness insurance pays out, lump sum tax, so you can get up to even 2 million depending on your need analysis, but that money will be paid out tax-free to you, so you can take care of your health and not worry about your financial stuff while you are sick. So I think this is important coverage to have it, but I'll give you one tip that you're gonna really like it, and that is this insurance can have what they call a return of premium option. That's mean that at a certain age you can get your all premium back if you don't claim. So it's a win-win situation for both. You, if God forbidden, critical illness happen, you have the money to take care of your family, and if you don't have, it's a savings, you can take all your money out at a certain age. It's fantastic for business owners. They actually need a lot more than even the people employed because they have no coverage except their own. So they should be looking into the critical illness policy. So win-win situation, do look into it. We are here to help. I am a certified health insurance specialist, chartered life underwriter, so I know these products inside out and how. That's what every single claim that we put out, it was approved. So I really encourage you to have this, and I can help you over the phone. You can give us a call, and my phone number is 905-624-0008, and my website is oojfinancial.com, and if you go there you can get some information and you can ask us a question through the Facebook, or you can send a message separately through my website, again 905-624-0008. And again, I want to thank you for joining us for this, and I think this is very important information I put out together. And we want to also talk about next week's topic, and next week is for business owners. So if you are a business owner, I want to talk to you and show you how you can protect your personal assets from creditors. And if you have any family friend who is a business owner, tell them to join our Facebook page, and we are there to help. Again, next week, Tuesday, 3:30 p.m. for business owners, how they can protect their assets from creditors. Thank you very much for joining, and have a super fantastic day.